Hey my pretties, welcome back. I just walked inside a Tuesday morning. This 5-piece sectional is $1,200, and I like the way they put the little lemon pillows on there. That's really cute. This bike planter, I like that, and that is $55. This 4-piece set over here is $800. Ooh, look at that. That's cute too. $179.99, and the little tables that you can push underneath is $40. I like that little set. They have this over here. This little white table set is $100. Not bad. They also have that in brown. The brown one is $89. And then this large umbrella up here is $80. You have this table set for $169. They have lots of umbrellas back there. And then these chairs are $50. I think we looked at this set the last time I was here, and that one back there. But this sectional was $700, and those back there, the 4-piece, was $700. And this is the row with all the chairs. I do like this blue and white one. That's $250. That's really pretty. Lots of pillows on that wall. And then you have Decor over here. These candlesticks right here. This one is only $9.99. Look at that. That's different, huh? That's pretty. This red one is $14.99. That blue cage clock is $17. That vase back there is really pretty. I like that one. Ooh, this is $10. You have the elephants. Oh, look at this one. For $10. This one, you have those up there. That's a pretty jar. I think we saw these last time. Yeah, look at those back there. That's like real old-fashioned. And then you go into the greens. This is different. For $14.99. I like the shape of that. Drawer pulls for $5. Those are pretty. $6. Look at that. That's really nice. I'm not sure the price on it. They even have more right here. Different colors. Ooh, this one is heavy though. That one. They only had a little bit of like peach color or like light gold or rose gold. And then you go into regular gold. Those are pretty. I like this one. Oh, these are still here. The little galvanized truck I showed you the last time we were here. That's for the door, a draft to stop the draft from coming under the door. Those are $12.99. And then lots of white stuff over here. That's pretty. For $15. They have some pictures up at the top. Lots of birds and trees. There's an elephant for $59. Kind of little bell for $6. Look at that pie dish, My Cutie Pie. I like that. Did they say the same thing? Easy as pie. How much are these? $7.99. They still have the polka dot dishes and this one. Oh, these are pretty. Little picture frame for $9.99 with the unicorn. And they have some little sheets and everything. They have some with the rainbows. Really cute kid stuff. Different color sheets with rainbows and stuff on it. Oh, how cute. A Minnie Mouse apron for $10. They have that one with her, or you can get that one with the polka dots, and it has the bow at the neckline. Those are cute. And I also see a drying mat for $3.99. Mickey Mouse. That's Mickey Mouse, and I think I see Minnie Mouse. Yep. Pretty little teapot with the bees on it. Looks like a beehive for $10. Look at this butter dish for $10. Pretty little bird dishes right here, $9.99. Little red and white checkered bowls for $3. That's $11.99. Queens, Churchill. Oh, look at this table runner. Just caught my eye because it has the beads on it. I like hand beaded stuff like this. Really pretty and colorful. $25. That's beautiful. They also have this one that says spring for $13.99. Look at that. It probably says I under there. I don't know, but it says don't give a frap. That's funny. What does the back towel say? Same thing. Addicted to the pot. Ooh. Blessed are those who do my dishes. Okay, I feel the same way. These are cute. How much are they? $5.99. They're little dish scrub holders over here. Hinge jars. Different ones. What is that back there? A fish. There's even a lemon with a face. Oh, I like that. A little cat and a fish bowl. That's $8.50. Paper towel holders, $10.99. They have a fish back there, or you can get him. Instant Pot large mesh basket, $15.99. Cutlery holder is $7. Lots of flower pots. They might be remodeling because it smells like paint in here. Look at this little fairy garden. Let's see how much this is. $12.99. What is that? Just a shelf. You can stack them. $7.99. Oh, look at this little cart. 2-tier rolling cart for $59. And it looks like that. They just put some apples in there. These are $7.99. Oh, these are cute. And they're fake, but they look real. The herb garden. $5. These would be so cute in a window. At least you know they won't die. They have different ones. Oh, I like these. You have that picture back there that says parsley.
Curtains all the way down.
And some pillows. Oh, look at this crystal hedgehog. He's all cute and spiky. I like that. $9.99. They have an elephant, an owl, And some birds. There's even a hummingbird. Oh, here's another one. I like those. Oh, look at that. Bunnyville's Easter Egg Factory. This is so cute. Look at him at the top. I like his little face. $20. And you can put a candle in there. That'll be really cute lit up. $6.99. These cups and plates to match. $9.99. These eggs. Little tin eggs for $3. There's some more of these little characters with those faces. And then you have these bowls down here for $7.99. And those come in white or pink. And they have this over here. Oh, I like that one. The little bunny with the carrots for $5. Different ones. Look at him back there holding the lantern. This is $3. They have different pictures. $5.99 for those. And this is pretty. $15. And this set of plates is $7.99. And they also have, that's a salad plate. They have the dinner plate as well. These gold eggs are $10. And you have that cute little dish. And these. Somebody Loves You. This is $7.99. And this wreath right here is $20. That little container with the turtle back, $12.99. And then they have this display over here with a few things. $3. Look at them all dressed up, going to church. This is pretty. $10. And that's going to be it today and Tuesday morning. Now I'm down the aisle with all the food and stuff. I hope you guys enjoyed this. And I'll talk to you real soon in my next video. Okay, bye. Ginger, turmeric, smoked Spanish paprika. $6. Ooh. Select apricot. Black cherry, red raspberry. They have all different kinds.